Hey, it's Mike with Carbonize This, where we take everyday items and turn them into carbon. We've got a little game for you guys today. We're going to show you items that we carbonized and then see if you can guess what they were before. So let's get started. Okay, first item. Pretty cool texture. What does that look like to you? It's a Nutter Butter, one of my favorite cookies. Tried to eat it in that video too. Okay, next one. This one's a little tougher. Some moldy tomatoes and an avocado peel. And the moldy one disappeared. This one blew me away. I had no idea that this was inside of this particular item. It's a mango seed. All right, this was fun because there's a cool story behind this one in the long form video. We carbonized my pants after I split them. This was neat. We did an experiment with these items and then got to crush them at the end. These were loofahs from our friend's garden. Ah, this was actually a celebration video. Any ideas? It was a cake that my daughter made for us. This one looks neat. Any guesses? The pineapple top. Okay, this was a wild one. This looks like little buttons or horns. What would have that kind of shape? Kiwano melon. And we actually did other fruit like dragon fruit in that video. Okay, this one made history. Any thoughts? It's actually Roman bread, similar to what's found in Pompeii. We did something cool with the results of this video. You need to go watch that one. It's a hot dog, and we used that charcoal to cook more hot dogs. Totally blown away on this one, had no idea this was even in there. We're gonna play it in reverse here so you can see what it looks like. What was that? It's a juice box from a Happy Meal. Okay, this is a cool item. It's actually from our garden. Can you guess what it was? Blueberries, and we also did some watermelons in that video. This one has some cool color contrast. It was soft and crunchy. We're gonna play crushing it in reverse. What was it? It was a grapefruit, and we did some limes and lemons too. This one was neat. This was related to a holiday, so that's a little hint for you. Kind of looks like a cornucopia, but nope, it was a sombrero. Any thoughts? You've got that stick there, you've got a blob, crushes into a fine powder. It was rock candy, and we see that with sugar. This next one, probably pretty easy for you. Any guesses? It was French fries. In fact, we actually carbonized an entire Happy Meal, including the box. This was one of our first videos and one of the coolest things we've done so far. We carbonized the rose. What in the world was that? Totally did not expect it. It was Lego candy. Each one of these items was part of a larger video, and you can see those in the description below. Let me know in the comments how you did, and let me know if you have any other items you want us to carbonize. We'll see you next time.